Hello, good morning guys. How are you? I am very excited today to open this box. This is ION Total PA Live speaker. There are too many things. That's why I am going to share how to open this box and how to connect everything in. That's why it will work in full capacity. Thank you. Let's begin here. Slowly. There we go. I opened box and I found too many things inside. This is main box speaker stand. We can adjust this as we need, how higher or lower. I will show you this step by step. Mic and mic. Power cable. This is cable for speaker. It should be speaker in there, right here. Okay, so I am connecting and I am starting with the stand. This is a stand. We can do as high as we need or as low as we need. Let's open this first stand. Okay, so how high you want? There is key. You can plug anywhere you want. Suppose you want this much long, right there. So let's tight it. That's our speaker will stand safely. Second, there are things you have to handle by this. This is a little heavy. You have to sit here. And one more thing I am telling you, this is easy to carry somewhere if you are taking. This is handle. This is like suitcase. There is a small tire. You can roll this way. Okay. So I put this inside. This is a stand. Now tight it. Tight it. That's why it will stay safely. This is power plug. I turn power cable inside and power right here. And this is power on off. So let's turn on. High. This means this is turn on.
Bluetooth pairing.
Okay. Check light, beautiful light there, blue, pink. Now I am connecting with Bluetooth. Right here, Bluetooth. There is connection. You can connect Bluetooth or mode. Aux cable right here. You can include cable here and there. That's why if there is no Bluetooth facility, this is aux. You have to select aux, then aux cable in. But we FM. You can do FM, then you can select FM, which one you want. Back, forward. But we are going to connect now Bluetooth. Okay. Total PA Live Bluetooth name is. Bluetooth on first, then search your Bluetooth on your device. Total PA Live, then connect. It is connected now. Connected now. Let's start playing YouTube. Down, up, sound. Now you can enjoy your any device to connecting with Bluetooth. How to connect this? First, go this way. Right here. Okay, now this is good. Now link this MIC in 1. There are MIC 1, mic 2, XLR in. If you have XLR, and if you wanna take this out, there, this is aux. I already told you. So connect this in mic 1. Okay, now this is connect. There is turn on, off, on. This is still not in. So main thing, don't forget to push this MIC 1. So sound, how bigger you want. Right there. Hello, hello, hello. This is connected. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, this is connected now. So now you can enjoy your IOM speaker with mic and